karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can calculate world time, okay, using a world time watch bezel. Okay, so guys, now you can see this is my seiko 5. Okay, for this video I'm using my seiko 5. Okay, so presently it is showing me time, that is about 1 p.m. Okay, so using this time and using this world time bezel. Now what do you mean by world time bezel? So all the major cities of the world, they are listed on this bezel, and this bezel, it kind of rotates, not kind of, it rotates. Okay, now using the present time in the present zone and using this bezel, how I can get a approximate world time in the other cities. Okay, so now this technique or this feature, it does not give you the exact accurate time, okay, but it can give you a estimation, and then you can interpolate by yourself. Okay, now guys, presently my time zone is Dubai, that is donated by DXB. Okay, so now I want to know the time in Karachi, or I want to know the time in Hong Kong. See, all these names are listed: Hong Kong, Sydney, okay, Dhaka, Bangkok, all these names are listed here, Tokyo. Okay, now my present time zone is DXB, that is Dubai, and the present time in Dubai is 1:05, okay, or 1:05 p.m. Okay, now I want to know the time in the other major cities in the world. So what we have to do? So what we have to do is convert the present time into 24-hour format. Okay, so present, it is 1 p.m. and in 24-hour format it will be 13:05, okay, or it will be 1300 hours. Okay, now here on the inner dial of the watch, you see there is a markings for 24-hour time format. Okay, so you have 2, 3, then 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now what is the present time? Present time is 1:05 p.m. I converted to 24-hour formats, it becomes 13:05. Okay, so now what I have to do is I have to take the present time on time zone city, that is DXB, and I have to rotate and align it with the present 24-hour time format. Okay, so present 24-hour time format is 1300 hours, 1 p.m. 1300 hours. Now you see this is 13 and I aligned my DXB with 13. Okay, now I want to know the world time of any other cities. So go to the city and read the time. For example, if it is 1 p.m. in Dubai, it is going to be 3 p.m. in Dhaka. Now see this Dhaka aligns with 1500 hours. What is that? 3 p.m. Okay, and if it is 1 p.m. in Dubai, Karachi will have 2 p.m. Okay, so plus or minus. For example, if it is 1:30 here, okay, so then this is 13, this is 14, so 1:30 is something between 13 and 14, so I move it approximately between 13 and 14 and it will adjust the time. Okay, so if it is 1:30 in Dubai, it will be 2:30 in Karachi. You can see it will be 2:30 in Karachi and it will be 3:30 in Dhaka. Okay, so this technique gives you approximations. Okay, you can have approximate time in the world cities. For exact time, you can use your good old digital watches, or we have smartphones. So guys, I hope you understand that. Okay, so guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more unboxing video for watches, everyday carry, and how to do stuff. Okay, and all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.